Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and today we are doing a super quick and easy tutorial that I actually just shared on Instagram with my DIY unicorn bike. So here's the before shot. It's just a plain little tiny wooden bike, and here's the after, the totally transformed unicorn bike. So all you're going to need to transform your bike is your unicorn face, some ribbon, streamers, and glue. So this is actually a unicorn horn cake topper that I got on Amazon, and you're just going to glue that right to the top of your bike. And I'm using E6000 glue because that will hold on anything. And then just go ahead and glue the lashes right onto the front of the bike. I got this unicorn cake topper set on Amazon for like $6, you guys. So really inexpensive and really cute. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the edge of the handlebar, and then take some ribbon and just wrap it around the entire handlebar, and then you're going to add some glue on the other end and glue it in place. Then I'm just going to add a set of streamers. I also got these on Amazon, and repeat this process with the other side. You can use any color ribbon you want. I just used pink because it's my favorite and it matched the flower on the unicorn. And as always, I'll leave links to all these products that I got on Amazon for you guys down below in the description. And that was it. I told you it was easy. Here is the finished product. Kinsley loves it. It's so much fun, and it totally transforms just an ordinary plain bike into a really magical and festive toy. She loves riding her little unicorn bike all around the house, and it was a total success. Alright, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys.